Get ready, because the OnePlus 15 might just become the phone that completely changes the flagship game. And what I'm about to tell you will make you question whether you should wait for this phone before buying anything else. Trust me, you don't want to miss what OnePlus has secretly prepared. The OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be a powerhouse, starting with its stunning 6.82-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, giving you a clean, sharp, and ultra-fluid viewing experience whether you're gaming, watching Netflix, or scrolling your socials. But that's only the beginning, because the real star here is the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, combined with advanced AI processing that boosts everything: your camera performance, battery optimization, and even multitasking. This phone is expected to bring upgraded system-level AI features that predict your usage patterns, manage background apps smartly, enhance photo clarity in real time, and even help reduce power consumption so the device stays fast for years instead of slowing down. And speaking of power, OnePlus is packing a massive 5,500 mAh battery this time, paired with insanely fast 120W charging, meaning your phone goes from 0 to full in minutes, not hours, and still holds strong throughout the entire day, no matter how heavy your usage is. Now, let's talk cameras, because OnePlus is going big. We're expecting a triple camera setup featuring a 50MP main lens with improved low-light performance, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP periscope zoom camera offering crisp details even at long distances. And thanks to the new AI image engine, the OnePlus 15 promises richer colors, more accurate skin tones, and seriously improved stabilization, so your photos and videos look cinematic without any effort. Performance-wise, this device is ready to dominate with up to 16GB RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, making it a beast for gaming, editing, and every heavy task you can imagine. The design is expected to be sleek, premium, and more refined with slimmer bezels and tougher Gorilla Glass protection. Basically a phone that looks as good as it performs. And here comes the part many people are waiting for: the expected launch date. According to the latest leaks, the OnePlus 15 is rumored to launch globally around January 2026, and if this leak holds true, this might be OnePlus's most strategically timed release ever. But stay with me, because the best part is coming. OnePlus is reportedly working on a surprise feature, an exclusive AI-powered Pro Mode Plus that automatically enhances graphics during gaming, boosts frame stability, and increases detail levels without killing battery life. If this turns out to be true, the OnePlus 15 will shock the entire smartphone market and deliver something no other phone is offering right now. And before we wrap up, here's the surprise I told you about. Rumors say OnePlus may launch a special edition OnePlus 15 with a completely new color and faster wireless charging that will only be available for a limited time, and this could instantly become a collector's model. So if you're someone who loves exclusive tech, you might want to keep your eyes on that one. And that's everything we know so far, but more leaks are coming, so stay tuned for updates. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.